Maar weer het nog wat heddiw ydy squat erbyn y wal. Today's exercise of the day is the wall squat. Okay, I ddechrau, yn amlwg, da ni'n gael wal. Dwi'n ei pwyso erbyn y wal. Traed ymlaen. Eich traed chi o'r llydan a'ch hips. Ewch y lawr. So da chi'n creu 90 gradd gyda'ch coesau. Ag pen nôl a dal. Okay, as you can see, I've walked down into position with my legs hip width apart, my back firmly against the wall, and 90-degree angle with your legs. And then you're just going to hold as long as you can, and then when you finish, you get up, dal mor hir a bosib, pan ydych chi gorffen, jyst godwch fyny slo bach. Okay, have a go. Mynewch.